This time, the 2,799 renminbi Redmi K90 Ultra is the best. This time, we bought the K90, the best of the best. Let's take a look at the internal structure and materials. So let's take a look at the screen first. The screen is equipped with Huaxin light-emitting N10 light material. 6.83-inch, 1.5K, 165Hz refresh rate, OLED electronic screen. The body is equipped with more than 40 mainstream mobile games, full-frame high brush. Then let's take a look at the internal structure. Heat the fuselage and slide the back cover open. The back cover of the best K90 has an internal cable connection. Unscrew the cable. The back cover is made of the same kind of screen material as the K90 Max. The lens port and the floor are also upgraded to a flower pattern. Remove the back cover and you can see the active heat dissipation system of the best K90. The fan sticks to the board by pouring water. It effectively prevents liquid from entering the motherboard from the fan. The dust-proof cover is made of metal. Remove the 18.1mm active air-cooled fan. Its wind speed can reach 0.42 cubic meters per minute. It can cool down to 10 degrees in 100 seconds. The fan is sent in through the metal plate. Directly heat the area and cool it down. Blow it down again. It can also cool the back cover of the fuselage by 2 degrees. The heat dissipation system of the K90 Ultra is the same as the K90 Max. Remove the back cover. You can see that the back cover is evenly coated with heat-shrinkable silicone. The motherboard cover is made of metal. The top speaker uses the Gore 1115X unit. The microphone is on the right. The microphone is on the left. The maximum limit is to avoid too much opening at the top. The maximum limit is to avoid too much opening at the top. It uses a rear dual camera. The main camera is a 1.55-inch 50-megapixel sensor. The ultra-wide-angle lens at the bottom is the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens of f2.2. The front camera is a 20-megapixel OmniVision 20B. The K90 Max does not have an independent optical telephoto lens. The prototype can only be enlarged by digitizing. The motherboard is designed in a single layer. The core chip is coated with heat-shrinkable silicone. SoC uses Snapdragon 8 Elite. In addition to the different chips, the LPDDR5X ultra-high-speed memory, UFS 4.1 high-speed storage, and the independent AI read and write D2 chip are of the same specification as the K90 Max. Let's remove the bottom screw. The bottom speaker also uses the Gore 1115X unit. The top is composed of symmetrical stereo sound. At the same time, there is a Bose tuning support. The micro USB port is UFS 2.0. It supports 100W wired second window and 22.5W wired reverse charging. The motor is a large-size 0815B X-axis motor. After removing the upper and lower two areas, then we finally remove the battery. The battery is a quick-release design. The capacity is 8,550 mAh of Xiaomi Gold Sandstone Microshark battery. Manufacturer is Dongguan New Energy Technology Limited Company. After removing the battery, you can see the large-scale single-layer microheat dissipation heat-shrinkable version. The overall disassembly can be seen that most of the hardware configuration of the K90 is basically the same as that of the K90 Max.